Bitcoin just hit new all-time highs, but a massive new catalyst could be forming, one that might send prices even higher. A U.S. senator has hinted that the United States could soon begin buying Bitcoin as part of a national strategic reserve. If true, this would be one of the most bullish developments in crypto history. This is not financial advice. Crypto is risky. Always do your own research before investing. Senator Cynthia Lummis revealed on X that the groundwork for a U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, SBR, is already being laid. She wrote that, thanks to President Trump, the acquisition of funds for an SBR can start any time, referencing the administration's ongoing efforts to integrate Bitcoin into federal policy. Back in March, Trump signed an order preventing the U.S. government from selling any of its crypto holdings, instead requiring that they be held as a strategic reserve. The plan also allows for the reserve to be expanded in a budget-neutral way, meaning no extra burden on taxpayers. But the real bombshell lies in the Bitcoin Act, a bill authored by Senator Lummis, which proposes that the U.S. government purchase 1 million bitcoins for long-term storage as a sovereign reserve asset. If implemented, this would make the U.S. one of the largest Bitcoin holders in the world and could drive demand and price to unprecedented levels. While funding details are still unclear, Lummis has suggested using Treasury and Federal Reserve resources to finance the purchases. The Trump administration reportedly supports the initiative, seeing Bitcoin as a strategic counterbalance to inflation and dollar devaluation. As this potential policy shift unfolds, another project is already capitalizing on the growing institutional and governmental focus on Bitcoin, Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is a next-generation Layer 2 solution that aims to make Bitcoin DeFi ready. Using the Solana virtual machine, it brings smart contracts, staking, and lending directly to the Bitcoin ecosystem, all while maintaining BTC's unmatched security. Through its bridging system, investors can lock their Bitcoin on Layer 1 and use tokenized versions for instant low-fee transactions on Hyper. Investor interest has exploded. The Hyper presale has already raised more than $22 million, and staking rewards are currently around 53% annually. With nearly 1 billion tokens already locked in staking and the next price increase coming soon, early adopters are racing to get in before the next round. If the U.S. really does begin accumulating Bitcoin, the ripple effect on global markets could be seismic, and projects like Bitcoin Hyper that expand BTC's functionality could see a massive surge in attention. The future of crypto may be closer to mainstream adoption than ever before. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next crypto update. For safe, multi-chain, non-custodial crypto access, download Best Wallet, available now in the App Store and Google Play. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell.